Do you remember a specific loss that you took 5 months ago? You probably don't. So if that trade that you took a long time ago has no effect on the present now, why should this latest loss should have an impact in your future, on your emotions right now? The thing is with trading, we have to think in probabilities. And we know all trades are not just going to be winners. There's losers in the game. And so these losers are just stepping stones for your equity curve to slowly continue to go to the upside, in case you're profitable, of course. Think about it like the casinos. The casinos have an edge, like we do, right? We're profitable traders, we have our strategy, we have our edge. They too on their games. When the game of the roulette goes by, they don't think on the minor scale. They don't think on the event by event basis. They think on the overall picture, right? The minor scale is one game of roulette, and the larger scale is a bunch of events, is a bunch of games on the roulette, which gives them their edge. Because yes, they might lose here and there. They don't mind giving out money because in the long run, they know they'll be profitable. The same case with you. You just have to continuously execute your edge mechanically and not let the results of certain trades affect the outcome of the next ones, affect your decision making. And more often than not, the trades we're most confident on are usually our worst losers. So understand that both me and you, no matter how good of a trader you are, we don't have a 100% win rate and we'll never have. So you gotta welcome the losses as they're a part of the edge, not let them destroy you. Understand your data so you know that you're overall profitable. And if you go through 5, 6 consecutive losses, you know that's factored in the data because you've backtested it. It happened in backtesting. So it's completely normal to happen on live markets as well. You just gotta accept it, unfortunately. But if you welcome the losses, you're also welcome the winners.